Hi guys, I'm Mark Julian Reyes from BSMP-14. So today, our professor assigned us to do a short video clips about Beaufort Scale. But before that, I have one question. Have you ever been in a severe wind that blew away big stuffs, such as portion of your houses or anything? Okay, so now, let's examine how powerful the forces you felt was on our Beaufort Scale.
According to nationalgeographic.org, the real definition of Beaufort wind force scale is a descriptive table that represents wind force as a sequence of digits ranging from 0 to 12. These numbers are exclusively used in the areas around China and Taiwan. The Beaufort scale extends all the way up to 17, but the last 5 numbers only apply to tropical typhoons.
The Beaufort Scale is an international recognized wind strength measurement scale used by the sailors. But the question is, why is it important to seafarers? To begin with, the wind intensity directions and durations with all the significant impact on the sea conditions, we may also put it into a pattern to prevent heavy winds. So, as long as feasible, we can change courses to avoid these circumstances. This will also indicate how strong the wind are during our voyage. And this is the picture that shows the situations at the sea while having different forces.
So, as you can see, the first situation shows calmness, only it means nothing. No current and all. While the second one shows light air does not have really strong winds. It's just a normal. And the third one shows gentle breeze, or you can feel the wind on your face, leaf rustle, wind vane, move by wind. While the next one is the moderate breeze, which shows 20 to 28 km per hour and 11 to 16 knots. While the fifth one, which is the fresh breeze, small trees in leaf begin to sway. Crested wavelengths form on inland waters. And the next one is a strong breeze. Large branches in motion, whistling heard in telegraph's wire, umbrellas used with difficulties, large waves, extensive foam crest, and the seventh force is the near gale, the whole trees in motion. Inconvenience felt when walking against the wind. Foam blown in streaks across the sea. Next one is the gale, which can twigs break off trees. Generally, impedes progress, wave crests begin to break into spin drift. And the ninth force will be strong gale, slight structural damage, chimney pots and slates remove. Wave crest topple over, spray affects visibility. And the 10th one is the storm, which can be experienced inland. Trees uprooted, considerable structural damage, sea surface is large white. The second to the last is the violent storm, which can be very rare experience, accompanied by widespread damage, medium-sized ship lost sight behind waves, sea covered in white foam, visibility seriously affected, and finally lastly is the hurricane, which can be devastation situation. Air filled with foam and spray, very poor visibility. And these are the forces that consist in Beaufort wind scale.
Remember, this is important, that's why you have to notice this kind of situation in order to avoid risk. That's all, I hope you learned something new for today. Thank you and have a great day ahead.